Hello everyone, welcome to Mama Africa's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious baked potatoes. So let's go. We are going to use black pepper, salt, olive oil, cheese, and green onion. That's it. So let's go. So we're gonna put it at 390, 20 minutes, 390, 20 minutes. But we'll add, if it's not good, we'll add. But it should take 20 to 30 minutes. So first you have to poke your potatoes. You don't want your potatoes to explode. So make sure you poke your potatoes first. Poke. Poke. Guys, I wanna eat this one. This with my chicken. My chicken is already in the oven. I'm gonna put cheese and green onions. Delicious. Oh, sorry. We are live. That's it. It's gonna be crispy outside and soft inside. So I'm gonna transfer them to this. Should take 20 to 30 minutes. So now I'm going to black pepper and salt. Went direct through my throat. Now I'm going to add olive oil. That's good. This. I'm going to add a little bit, just a tiny bit of garlic powder. Make it smell good. A little bit of garlic powder. That's it. Now it's time to rub them. Rub the salt and the pepper and the garlic powder with the olive oil. You can use butter if you don't have olive oil. This is it. So now it's time to put them in. I'm gonna put two on each side. And we'll take maybe 25 to 35 minutes. Welcome back. Our potatoes are done. So now we are going to beautify them. Very crisp outside and inside is soft. Just look at it. Beautiful. Ooh, delicious. Delicious. So now we're gonna add some cheese. We're going to add cheese. Let's add more cheese. There we go. More cheese. This is it. Now you can just enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Look how yummy, guys. The hostess with the mostest. Five-star restaurant, guys. A 5-star. And wait, guys, there's more. I want to show you what I'm having it with. I just put my chicken in the oven. And this is what I'm going to have tonight. So my chicken is also done. Just look at it. This is what I'm having for my supper, dinner, whatever it is. This is it. This is it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with friends and family. The chicken is ready.